I'm on 10 with my woadies. Shout out my homies, we gon' ball for them trophies. Like they can't hold me, thinking God, I've been chosen. Go through the motions, all them times I was hopeless. Now we the coldest. I'm on 10 with my woadies. Shout out my homies, we gon' ball for them trophies. Like they can't hold me, thinking God, I've been chosen. Go through the motions, all them times I was hopeless. Now we the coldest. Look, I've been trying.
This is how we're transporting to the show and shine. This thing is moving so freaking slow. Hey, but hey, it's gonna be worth it.
Okay, Brett from the 6, I'm Jordan with the brand, son. Hail from the LI 3, 1 after 6, son. Dodge a Tech 9, like everybody moves, son. All in my eyes, cause I'm blinded by the sun.
Here we go, Brett from the 6, I'm Jordan with the brand, son. Hail from the LI 3, 1 after 6, son. Dodge a Tech 9, like everybody moves, son. All in my eyes, cause I'm blinded by the sun. I said deuces to the beef like Tyson. It's been a minute, but I'm back like hi, son. Had to clean up all of the junk like a son. Writing all these wrongs just in case I die, son. I got all these books, think it's time to take a look. Maybe write a few things down, cause you never know. Need to know which way to go. Maybe take a look at Joe, talking to the one-on-one, elevating over shows. Look, I had to drop all the addiction, messing with the mental state of my condition. My state of all the bars without the prison. Say no to the product of bad decisions. I've been flexing on them like I dropped the gym on them, whoa. Did a little dance, I be shaking sin of them, whoa. Yeah, I'm feeling high, but no Mary Jane on them, though. Check out all the drive, ain't no lane switching on them, though.
From the 6, I'm Jordan with the brand, son. Hail from the LI 3, 1 after 6, son. Dodge a Tech 9, like everybody moves, son. All in my eyes, cause I'm blinded by the sun.
Here we go, Brett from the 6, I'm Jordan with the brand, son. Hail from the LI 3, 1 after 6, son. Dodge a Tech 9, like everybody moves, son. All in my eyes, cause I'm blinded by the sun. By the sun, by the sun, by the sun. By the sun, 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 by
Had to get rid of the sycamore. Had to get y'all in that holy mode. Son of man, son of the chosen one, sin in the rear. I got no time to body gun. This that new GOODCITY. That's on God. This that new, let me show it to my pastor without no pride. I got that trap for the sinner.
We got a one-day pass to Carolina Adventure World. Fly racing goggles, fly racing tumbler, liquid performance cleaning kit, a CAW poncho and pin, and a utility keychain up for grabs through the Cornhole winner. Come on up, you need a partner. Get you a partner and come on up to sign up. It is 7:30 right now. Cornhole's gonna start at 8 p.m. You must be signed up in the next 15 minutes. Please, Seth Freeman. Come on up here and see me, Seth Freeman. I got a hat for you.
Oh, snap.
All right, let's give him a hat.
Oh, snap. Well, we might not have placed it. Kid? I have no idea.
Second base, ATV. To Joey.
Oh, God.
2017 K&M Renegade.
Oh, God. We didn't even place at all.
Nice. ATV on the 2017 Polaris Sportsman. Goes to Ryan Thomas.
It was rigged. We don't have mud tires. It's rigged. We didn't have mud tires. That's all it is.
Here's your winner, ATV.
Oh well, on to Cornhole. sounds so good. My bad. I have no coordination. There's no reason that should have gone in. They're playing cornhole.
And the
I'm eating food.
Are advancing next up.
I'm not saying priorities, but I was hungry.
Wolverine.
We might lose this one. $19 to 0. 19 to 0. That might be the difference. Turn. Well, good game. We had it, then we didn't. Good game. I used this lantern for a little bit of light, but we placed what, 4th for the show and shine?
I have no idea.
Probably 4th. I mean, there was only like 5 quads that were in there, so. And then it was single elimination. There was 20 teams, so the first round took off 10. So we placed 11th out of all the, oh Lord, lightning. Anyway, we placed like 11th out of the whole thing, so that's not that bad. It was fun.
Oh yeah, we enjoyed
While it
that.
lasted. Andrew ate chicken tenders. I got told about that. That's gonna be fun to add in editing. The Go Slide. That's a Lightning McQueen reference, if anyone knows.
Did I see lightning a second ago? Or
You did, yeah.
Okay.
All right, well, that was fun. Next thing we're gonna be doing on our agenda would have to be the stuff.
Run.
Yeah, the poker run tomorrow,
Poker runs first thing,
and then the drag strip tomorrow.
Yep.
So
Make a few test hits.
poker run somewhere on there, and then the drag race. So yeah, not too shabby.
No.
You got a meal. We got close to last place. That was nice.
Well, we didn't get last.
Participation award.
We didn't get last, that's for sure.
All right, well, I'm gonna go get a shower, and I'm gonna let you guys do what you want to do.
Okay.
If
I washed most of my dirt off earlier.
we potentially might, if you can see my bunny fingers, stay up till 12 for the fireworks to go off.
Are they shooting fireworks?
They said they were for New Year's, counting down.
Cool.
They may or may not. We'll
If I stay awake, yeah.
we'll see.
You'll get woke up with the
I know
fireworks.
I'll get woke up if I stay awake. I'm gonna go get my heated blanket.
Alright boys, welcome to day 2. We finally got a 250 out. We're gonna go hit the trails today. And then after all that's said and done, I think we're gonna do the poker run next, which is gonna be around, I think, 2 to 3 if I remember correctly. If not, we'll have it up on screen somewhere. And then after that, we're doing the drag race and stuff, which I'm excited for. But sucks that the Suzuki can't be here, but the 250 is looking good all signed up right now, so we're gonna go get it muddy. As you can see, yesterday was an eventful day. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. But yeah, I say let's get straight into this. I guess Will Dad's gonna lead. We're gonna go check out this service right here. We weren't here yesterday. Let's go see. speed into that. Holy crap, dude. I don't have a skid plate. I'm gonna take this one back here. Oh, well, that's unfortunate. We're not gonna talk about that. Well, but you better not leave that in the video. I'm very mad at you. I see you have been stuck. Oh, look at that. Will. Hey, Will. Look at the back of your swing arm. Look at the back. Oh, it fell off. You had a big glob of mud like this big on the back of your swing arm. I'm gonna get some footage of you. Huh?
Melted me. I'll show you.
Up some dirt, son. Oh my God! Ow, dude! Ow! I'm sitting back. Oh my God!
I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who has subscribed, and I want to say a huge thank you to your support. It has meant the world to us.
And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. It's free. You can change your mind at any time. Plus, it helps out the channel.
If you guys want to stay connected with us throughout everything we do, please be sure to go follow our links in the description down below. And yeah. Speaking of description, we have links in our description all the way from parks that you guys have seen on the channel, all the way down to our biggest supporter, Mr. Travis Truett at Skyline Signs. And as always, I'd like to say a huge thank you, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.